Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to do the Mod Podge method on a glitter tumbler. And the first step you want to do that I did off camera is you want to first sand your tumbler and then you want to spray paint it. You can go for the color that is going to be closest to the glitter that you're using, or you can also opt for a white like I am. And the Mod Podge that I'm using is the matte Mod Podge, and I'm just using some gold glitter that I found from Walmart. And when you're using Mod Podge, you want to work really fast because it dries very quickly and you want to cover your entire tumbler. And as you can see, I did pour the glitter in a small cup to make it easier when applying it to my tumbler. Now I'm applying the Mod Podge, and remember to work very quickly. Before applying my glitter, I am taking some cardstock and applying it to the table so that I will be able to collect the glitter once I am done putting it on my tumbler. Now I'm just going to spread this along my tumbler until it is fully covered. Here is my tumbler fully covered in glitter. The next step would be to apply your first layer of epoxy, which is done off camera. And after your epoxy has dried overnight, you want to take your sandpaper and sand it down just to smooth out any rough. Now in my picture, I'm going to apply my cup to my cup turner and turn it on, and I have mixed up my epoxy, and the last final step will be to apply the last layer of epoxy and allow it to sit overnight. And you want to be sure that your cup is fully coated in epoxy. And as you see, I am just using a wooden stir stick, and afterwards you will see me using my finger. However, it is recommended to use gloves, but I just find it easier to use my finger. And now that my tumbler is fully coated in epoxy, I will allow it to turn overnight, and by the next morning or after 12 hours, it should be fully dry. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what you would like to see next on my channel. Bye.